Want to know how to collect rewards in Snake.io? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Snake.io application, and getting rewards or ordering rewards is super simple. First things first, you need to complete a mission. So, if you have already completed a mission and don't know how to collect a reward, this video is simply for you. So what you can do is you can just simply open up your Snake.io, and right here on the bottom left side you should be seeing something known as quest. That should be right beside your starter pass. So you can just simply select it, and now once you have selected your quest, here you should be seeing quest and the reward. So you can just simply swipe left and right to browse through it, and once you have found out your reward, just simply tap it to collect. And here you can see rewards as well. This should get you to gold pass or free pass, and you can collect it accordingly. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.